$1,000, you're gonna like this. You're gonna buy takeaway all day, every day. One important lesson: never stop learning. You'll never stop learning. If you say, like I always say, you say, "Oh, I know this job, like no problem, whatever." Someone else better come along and then shows you how to do your job plus do more. Then like, hang on a second, fuck. I just told the boss that I know how to do everything in the next minute. That's life, and never stop learning because hey, once you say I know everything, that puts a block. Yeah. It blocks. You hit a brick wall now. You can't go any further. Yeah, for me, like I've been a few poko, I've done like, but and then I was like, wow, it's not even. And if my family look at this and they look at me and hopefully they will know that I'm still here the same, same as day one. I never change. That's rock solid. But and so internally, he's breaking. But because he grew up in that generation where you had to be strong and yeah, and he's the head of the family and he's the head chief and all that. But like we at the end of the day we were born to cry. We came in this. We were born crying. So why hide that emotion? So then all of a sudden over the generations, it gets looked upon like you're weak. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, because that mentality we got from our older generations. We were just the laborers, and we can. I always say it, but to change that mindset, is starting to happen now with what you guys are doing. So it's brilliant. Yeah, it is, it is, and it's unfortunate, because we know we are better. I'm not saying we know we are better than the next person. It's not that, but we know we can do better for ourselves. But we hit that mark, and then you can't go any further than that line. Not allowed. Yeah, that's that story. Yeah, but you know what? He was too tough. The tough exterior was too much. Yeah, but that unfortunately uh, too much onto the kids. Because we built us up like that. But from the old man, old man is a good man. He's 100%. He's a good man. He jumped in to work hard. Work hard, and your journey is still going to. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, boys. That's okay. Sorry. I'm a known, not a known, but I teary no matter what. It doesn't matter if the prime minister's sitting right here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, and especially when it's referred to mum. Especially when it's referred to mum, because mum's. That's a good one. Honest. Nah, that's. You got me before. Yeah. Nah, these are the hardest question. I always leave to last. Mum always say like, no matter what, no matter who's throwing things at you, no matter who's doing what, no matter anything, be yourself. Be yourself. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if the Aingas hating on you or whatever. Wow. Be yourself and always. That's why I said earlier, come from here, not from here, because that's what Mum taught me from here. Mum and Grandma and family in New Zealand and Samoa.